Welcome to my channel. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি মই এ লেটাৰ টু গডৰ যিমান এডিশ্যনেল কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰ আছে মই গোটেই কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰসমূহ আলোচনা কৰিম এই ভিডিঅ'টোত। তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ চাই যোৱা। এডিশ্যনেল কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰ ইয়াত দিয়া আছে 1 নম্বৰ নেম দ্য আদাৰ অফ দ্য ষ্টৰী এ লেটাৰ টু গড। দ্য নেম অফ দ্য আদাৰ of the story A Letter to God is J.L. Fuentes. Number 2 there say, who was Lencho? Lencho was a poor farmer and he was an honest. Number 3 there say, why did he live? He lived on the top of a low hill in a valley. Number 4 there say, when was Lencho's house situated? Answer there say, Lencho's house was situated on the top of a low hill in a valley. Number 5 would say, what happened as the result of hailstones? Answer would say, as the result of hailstone, the cornfields became white and the crops were totally destroyed. Number 6 would say, what was Lencho's only single hope? So number answer to all, Lencho's only single hope was help from God. 7 number they say, what is meant by shower? Answer they say, shower means mild rain. Number 8 they say, what do you mean by frozen walls? Uttar they say, frozen walls means the border, the hailstones. Number 9 they say, what did Lencho write on the envelope? Answer they say, Lencho wrote to God on the envelope. Number 10 they say, what did Lencho compare the rain with? Answer they say, Lencho compared the rain with new coins. Number 11 they say, how many houses were there in the entire valley? Yet answer they say, there were only a houses in the entire valley. Number 12 they say, question, what are the things that could be seen from the highest of the hill? Yet uttar they say, the river, fields with ripe corn dotted with flowers could be seen from the height of the hill. Number 13 to Saba, what did Lencho hope for? Or our question, why did Lencho hope for a downpour or at least a shower? Yet number 1 plus 1 money 2. Lencho hoped for a downpour or at least a shower. Next paragraph, Lencho hoped for a downpour or at least a shower to water his ripe cornfields. Number 14 to Saba, what happened during the meal? During the meal, big drops of rain began to fall. Number 15 to Saizua, what could one see in the northeast? Uttar Dhyasa, one could see huge mountains of clouds approaching in the northeast. Number 16 Dhyasa, what did Lencho do throughout the morning? Or what did he see in the northeast? এইটো কুৱেশ্যন বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়, চাই ল'ব ভালকৈ। 2015 চনত আহিছিল। ইয়াত উত্তৰত লিখা আছে, থ্ৰু আউট দ্য মৰ্ণিং লেঞ্চো ডিড নাথিং এলছ বাট চি দ্য স্কাই টু ৱাৰ্ডছ দ্য নৰ্থ ইষ্ট। আৰু পেৰাগ্ৰাফ চেঞ্জ কৰি দিয়া আছে এনচাৰ, ইন দ্য নৰ্থ ইষ্ট হি চ' হিউজ মাউণ্টেইনছ অফ ক্লাউডছ এপ্ৰচিং। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 17 দিয়া আছে, হোৱাই ডিড দ্য বয়জ এক্সপ'জ themselves to the rain? Yet uttar dia ase, the boys exposed themselves to the rain to collect frozen pearls. Number 18, how long did the rain continue and which were the areas the hail rained? Yet uttar dia ase, the rain continued for an hour. The hail rained on the Lencho's house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield and whole valley. Number 19 there say, what did Lencho say about big and small drops of rain? Yet answer there say, Lencho compared raindrops with new coins. He said that the big drops were 10 cent pieces and small drops were 5 cent pieces. Number 20 there say, what were the boys doing during the meal? Yet uttar huwa, during the meal the older boys were working in the field and the smaller ones were playing near the house. A question there say 21 question 2, Why did Lencho go out during the rain? 21 or answer to Saizuwa. During the rain, Lencho went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Number 22, Saizwa. What were Lencho's feeling when the hail stopped? Or question is, how did Lencho react after the hailstorm? Yet answer this, after the hailstorm, Lencho's fields were totally destroyed and not a single leaf remained on the trees. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness, and he exclaimed to his sons that a plague of locusts would would have left more than that. He was worried about lack of food for the coming year. Number 23 to Saizwa. All through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope. ইয়াত এইটো ইনভাৰ্টেড কমাৰ মাজত দিয়া আছে। এতিয়া কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল হোৱাট ৱাজ লেঞ্চছ অনলি ওৱান হোপ। এইটো কুৱেশ্যনটো 2017 চনত আহিছিল, ভালকৈ চাই ল'বা। অল থ্ৰু দ্য নাইট লেঞ্চো থ্ৰট অনলি অফ হিজ ওৱান হোপ। ইয়াত এনচাৰটো হ'ল লেঞ্চছ অনলি ওৱান হোপ ৱাজ দ্য হেল্প অফ গড। নাম্বাৰ 24 টো চাই যোৱা। হোৱাট ডিড লেঞ্চো থিংক অল থ্ৰু দ্য নাইট। ইয়াত উত্তৰটো হৈছে অল থ্ৰু দ্য নাইট লেঞ্চো ৱাজ থিংকিং অনলি অফ হিজ ওৱান হোপ, দ্য হেল্প অফ গড। নাম্বাৰ 25 কুৱেশ্যনটো চাই যোৱা। হোৱাট কাইণ্ড অফ মেন ৱাজ লেঞ্চো। ইয়াত উত্তৰ দিয়া আছে লেঞ্চো ৱাজ এ হাৰ্ড ৱৰ্কিং ফাৰ্মাৰ হু ৱৰ্কড লাইক এন এনিমেল ইন দ্য ফিল্ডছ। 26 নম্বৰটো চাই যোৱা। হোৱাট ৱাজ দ্য ষ্ট্ৰেঞ্জ থিংক এবাউট লেঞ্চছ লেটাৰ। এনচাৰত দিয়া আছে দ্য ষ্ট্ৰেঞ্জ থিংক এবাউট লেঞ্চছ লেটাৰ ৱাজ that it was a letter to God. 27 to চাই যোৱা। How did the postmaster react after reading the letter? ইয়াত এনচাৰ দিয়া আছে when the postmaster first read the letter he started laughing, but immediately he became serious. He was surprised at Lencho's faith in God. Reading the letter he to wish if he had the same faith in God. 28 number to Saizwa. How did the postmaster collect the money? Was it easy for him? The postmaster asked for money from his employees, friends, and also he himself gave a part of his salary. Thus he collected the money. Paragraph sense kori dia answer no, it was not easy for him. Etor question to hol was it easy for him? তো মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি এ লেটাৰ টু গডৰ এডিশ্যনেল কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ সমূহৰ আধা কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰসমূহ আলোচনা কৰা হ'ল। নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত আৰু বাকী কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰসমূহ পাই যাবা তোমালোকে। টোটেল কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ হ'ল 40টা। আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিলোঁ 28টা, মানে 28টা। তো কাইলৈ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ' পাই যাবা এটা, সেই ভিডিঅ'টোত বাকী কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰসমূহ পাই যাবা। তো মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, যদি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই তোমাৰ উপকৃত হৈছে তেনেহ'লে এতিয়াই এটা লাইক কৰা আৰু তোমাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীলৈ ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা। তেনেহ'লে আজি ভিডিঅ'টো ইয়াতে সমাপ্ত কৰিলোঁ। অ'কে, বাই।